So today I'm reviewing these slap some sass on it hilarious unfiltered stickers for everyday chaos. They're pre-cut, ready to use, waterproof, tough vinyl, and mostly for adults. So you just it's easy to peel. It comes with in a nice, like, I like the colors of the bag. It comes in a bag, and let's see, cuts off so easily, and it comes in a Ziploc bag so you can keep track of everything and so on. So they're all in here. Let's see. So it's really easy to close as well, which is very nice. And I'm just gonna show you guys how some of the stickers look, and how easy they are to peel. And let's see. Let me find one that's appropriate. Okay, here is of a dog. Okay, so here it is. It's pretty glossy, which is nice. Let's see. I have no nails right now, so let's see how easy it is to current peel with no nails. It takes some time, a little bit, but here I got it, and it sticks really well. This was like I said, you can stick this anywhere you want, like your car, your phone, and it comes with a lot of stickers too, so you can put them wherever you want and not have to worry about like, oh, I'm limited on stickers. It comes with, I think, I can't even give you an exact number, but it looks like 50 or more, about so. So this is really nice, especially if you're into stickers and expressing yourself. You can put it even on your walls, on top of posters, binders, like I said. And there's like so many options that you can use these for. Or they're also like a nice gift if you know someone who's like into stickers and stuff like that as well.